we are discussing chapter 2 Biozoology 11th standard. Okay, 11th standard Biozoology chapter 2 unit 1 Kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia. So up to this phylum Chemichordata we will learn. Okay, we will learn. So now today we are discussing phylum Chordata. Phylum Chordata. Phylum means we know that is that one particular species or here, group of species are here, we called out phylum. Okay, so Chordata means sting. Chordata means sting. Chordata is the largest phylum among the animals groups. Okay, among the animals groups, Chordata is the largest phylum. So why it is the largest phylum? Says here, fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. Everything is the less amount of in that the only comes under this Chordata. Only comes under this class Chordata. Okay, comes under this phylum Chordata. So we called it largest phylum among the animals group. Okay, so next one we know about this tunicates and lenticels. Tunicates and lenticels. Tunicates and lenticels. Amphibians are vegetarian. All chordates possesses for the primary characteristics at some point during the larval or adulthood stages that distinguish them from the all other taxa. All other taxa. 4 common features appear at some point during the development of notochord, a dorsal hollow nerve cord, phaseal cells, and post-annual tail. 4 characters are here. So first one we discussed about this notochord. Do you know that notochord? Notochord is a cartilaginous skeletal rod supporting the body in all embryonic and some adult character animals So presence of elongated rod-like notochords below the nerve cord and above the alimentary cord. It presents in the notochord below the nerve cord and above the alimentary canal. It presents here. So it is a primitive internal skeleton is here. So at the time of the embryonic development, it will be developed. So it will here in the notochord throughout their life, lenticels and the embryos. So examples, lenticels and the embryos. In adult vertebrates, it may partially or completely replaced by backbone. So notochord is completely replaced by this backbone. That means vertebral column. So next one is a dorsal hollow nerve cord. Dorsal hollow nerve cord. Okay, dorsal hollow nerve cord. So dorsal nerve cord means the tubular fluid substance are filled with lie above this notochord or below the dorsal body wall. Below the dorsal wall, it integrate and coordinating function of that body functions. So in higher chordates, nerve cord gets enlarged. Why it is enlarged? To form the brain and posterior part spinal cord protected inside the vertebral column. So inside the vertebral column, the dorsal nerve cord is only one embryonic feature unique to all chordates among other four. So that's why the tubular one fully like structures present here above the notochord and below the dorsal body. It presents in this above the notochord and below the dorsal body wall. It will be coordinate with some other functions like உட்கார்றது எந்திக்கிறது இதுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே it will be very helpful for us. Next one is that higher chordates, higher organisms, it will be used in the nerve cord. So it presents in that connecting with the brain, spinal cord protected inside the vertebral column. So next one it is presence of phaseal gills. Presence of phaseal skill seeds, okay, archives. So some chordates having the throughout their life cycle, phaseal gill seeds very useful for us. So series gill seeds are present. Series of gill seeds are present and pharynx and appears during the development of every organisms. Okay, every chordate. So in aquatic organism, particularly in the aquatic organism, phrasal gills are vascular and lamellar form of gills for respiration. Do you know that the fish? Okay, do you know it? Fish. So that fish used for that the gill seeds. Okay. So in terrestrial chordates, some of the terrestrial chordate non-functional gill seeds are here. At the time of the embryonic development, it will be developed. So later it will be deactivated or disappear. So beside above the set features, all the set features, chordates is the bilaterally symmetrical riboplastic animals, coelentmates, and with the organ level of organizations are here. So some organism possess the annual chain, closely circulatory system it will be present. Myogenic heart is present, okay, except in amphibians. So phrasal gills are opening in the phrase that develop into gill arches in bony fishes and into the jaw inner ear of interstitial animals. The post-annual tail is a skeleton extension of posterior end of the body. Being absent in humans, namakku irundhuchu post-annual tail, but it is absent. Now it is absent. We are not using, so that it is absent. Okay, apis although thus present during the embryonic development. So next one it is subphylum Urochordata or Tunicata. So this phylum contains sequads. We called it sequads. So mostly it will be sessile, swimming, free swimming. Colonical forms are here. Body is unsegmented one. Coelom is absent. Near here, coelom is absent. So in this case, Urochordata, coelom is absent. So why? It is a part of the chordate phylum which includes all animals with dorsal nerve cords and notochords. So இதுக்கு என்ன இருக்கு? யூரோகார்டேட்டாவுக்கு dorsal nerve cords இருக்கு, notochords இருக்கு. Okay? So subphylum was at once we called out. So tunicate is a marine invertebrate animals. So alimentary canal is completely, circulatory system is open. Okay? Circulatory system is open. So heart is a ventral and tubular present. So respiration is used in the gill seeds. Used by this gill seeds. So dorsal nerve cord is present only in the larval form. So larval forms it will be present, and it is adult stage single dorsal ganglion it will be present. So mostly hermaphroditic. Do you know that it's a hermaphroditic, male and female? Gametes present in the same organism. Okay? So development is indirect. So it will be free swimmings are your tadpole larva with chordate characters. Retrogressive metamorphism is seen. Retrogressive means regenerative changes wherein an active larva transforms into the sedentary adult. Okay? So regenerative changes wherein active larva இருக்கும்போது it will be active. So but it will be changed to adult stage, it will be disappear that characters. Okay, acidia and sulfur trolinium. Okay, so what are the characters of this Urochordata? So Urochordata, it contains colonial forms. So yeah, body is unsegmented, coelom is absent. So adults is our suck-like structure. So next one is the notochord is present only in the tail region. At the time of the larval stages it will be here. So hence named as Urochordata. So why we called as a Urochordata? Notochord is present only in the tail region of the larval stages. So we called out the Urochordata. Circulatory system is open circulatory system, it will be followed. Ventral tubular respiration is through by this gill seeds or clips. Okay, so the nerve cord present only in the larval stages. Single nerve ganglion it will be formed in the adult stages. Mostly hermaphroditic. Tadpole larva with chordate characters are here. Retrogressive metamorphism is here. So next one is the subphylum Cephalochordata. So next another one thinking is, for example, in Neurochordata, the larva appears all advanced characters of chordata, but after the metamorphism, the adult loses the hardened characters. Okay? So, for example, Neurochordata larva appears all advanced characters. எல்லா கேரக்டர்ஸும் எப்போ இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா லார்வாவில் கார்டேட் கேரக்டர்ஸ் எல்லாமே இருக்கும். எப்போ அப்படின்னா, ஸோ இட் வில் பி இன் த லார்வல் ஃபார்ம்ஸ். Chordate characters it will be followed. But after this metamorphism, retrogressive metamorphism, what happened? Adult loses the chordate characters. So we called it retrogressive metamorphism. Next one we called out as subphylum Cephalochordata. Cephalo means head. Chordata, no, chord. Okay, chordate, chord. So cephalochordates are mostly it will be marine forms and will be here in the shallow waters. So burrowing mode of life. Burrowing mode of life means it will be burrowing means it will be depends on the other organisms. Okay, fish like coelomates, chordate characters such as notochord, dorsal neural nerve cord, phalangeal gills throughout their life. Okay, closed type of circulatory system it will be seen without heart. Okay, without heart. So excretion by this protonephridia. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is external. Okay, external fertilization it will be followed. So development is indirect. Includes a free swimming larva is here. Okay. So Cephalochordata in this that the embryonic notochord is evenly replaced by this bony vertebrate or cartilaginous tissues among the Cephalochordata. The notochord is retained the adulthood and it is never repressed by vertebrates. Okay. So what are the characters you write? Cephalochordata. Cephalochordata meaning head. Cephalo means head. Mostly marine. It will be here in the shallow waters. Burrowing mode of life. What is the mode of the life? Burrowing mode of the life. Small fishes like coelomate forms. Chordate characters are here. Chordate characters means notochord, dorsal nerve cord. It will be here. Okay. So throughout their life, circulatory system is closed. Circulatory system is closed without heart. Excretion by the protonephridia is the excretion part. Okay, protonephridia it is the excretion part. Fertilization is external fertilization it will be followed. So example, Prastoma, Amphiosis and lead scent.